Aussie truck drivers, did you know changes to the heavy vehicle national law are inbound for 2026? So know what's in, know what's out. One of the new things that's coming in are increased penalty for offenses under the heavy vehicle law. Base penalties for most offenses, particularly in relation to fatigue and logbook offenses, are on the increase. Section 325 is an offense of making a false and misleading statement in a work entry. That means those little bumps and lines in your diary better be accurate, or you're looking at a minimum $20,000 fine. If you get caught out with making a false and misleading entry in a work diary, give Eric Nevea Legal a call.